Hello, and in this video I'll tell you what to do with garlic that has turned yellow so that its leaves recover and turn green again. First, I'll tell you why garlic leaves turn yellow. If the first leaves on your garlic turn yellow, it's not too bad. This year there were spring night frosts, so they froze it. But look, the tips of the young leaves are also beginning to turn yellow, which signals that the garlic lacks nutrition, namely nitrogen and phosphorus fertilizers. Nitrogen is responsible for increasing the green mass, as well as for the restoration of chlorophyll in the leaves, and phosphorus is needed to build up a large root system, and for garlic this will increase the yield. So if your garlic is just now starting to turn yellow, do not miss the moment and prepare this fertilizer. To prepare it, you will need granulated chicken manure. Unlike fresh chicken manure, this fertilizer has practically no ammonia, which is detrimental to plant development and can destroy it. Therefore, we do not apply fresh chicken manure to plants, but you can prepare an infusion from it. First, I'll tell you a recipe for granulated chicken manure and then for regular chicken manure. To prepare a concentrated fertilizer, we need a liter jar full of granulated chicken manure. Add it to 10 liters of water and leave it for 2 hours, during which time you need to mix the chicken manure and water well at least several times. To prepare the same infusion, but from fresh chicken manure, you will need to take a container, fill 1/3 of it with fresh chicken manure and fill the rest of the container with water. Mix well and cover with a lid and leave the chicken manure for 1 week. This is necessary so that pest eggs and pathogens are destroyed in fresh chicken manure and all the ammonia I have already mentioned is removed. But with granulated chicken manure, it's much easier. After 2 hours, when it has fully infused, we stir it well again to lift the sediment from the bottom. Take half a liter of this concentrated fertilizer and add it to 10 liters of clean water and mix it as well. And now we fertilize the garlic. But the previous bed must be drained well with water at least a few hours in advance so that the soil is moist, because the garlic bulb is deep underground. And for this fertilization to work and reach the root system of the garlic, the soil must be moist, and so we fertilize the garlic bed. The approximate consumption of this fertilization is 10 liters per 2 square meters of the garden. Also, if you have free time and want this fertilizer to reach the root system faster, you can make small depressions between the rows and pour this fertilizer into them and then cover them with earth again. This fertilizer is rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and also contains many macro and micro elements. And in just a few days, you will see how your garlic begins to grow rapidly. Its leaves will turn green and become larger, and the garlic bulb will also increase. Therefore, be sure not to miss this feeding to give a powerful start on the way to a big harvest. We will have several more feedings this season, so be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss them. I wish you a good day and see you in the next videos.